If you have a late model Infiniti or Nissan and want to tap into your inner Fast and Furious, you're going to want to stick around because I have exactly what you're looking for. What's going on, everyone? It's Connor from here at Nitrous Express with something for you Infiniti and Nissan owners out there. There have been so many of you who have commented and asked us for a system that will fit your 350Z or G35, and we have listened. This is our dual nozzle nitrous system engineered specifically for the VQ35 owners. This Nitrous Express system includes an Autolearn TPS switch which allows for the nitrous to activate only at wide open throttle. A direct plug-in fuel line adapter is provided so that there is no need to cut your factory fuel lines. Our carbon fiber and billet aluminum Lightning Series fuel and nitrous solenoids. 2 shark nozzles with nozzle adapters. Extra long stainless braided nitrous line. A master arming switch. A 40 amp relay and relay harness. Jetting for 35 to 150 rear wheel horsepower. All of the necessary hardware to complete the installation. And finally, systems with the bottle include our industry exclusive billet aluminum Lightning 500 bottle valve. While our system only comes with jetting for up to 150 rear wheel horsepower, it is capable of producing up to 300 horsepower with additional jetting. Not everybody can afford to take their car to a shop, and we understand that. Our systems combine easy installation with performance and quality in order to help everyone achieve the nitrous build of their dreams. If you're interested in this product or would like to see the rest of our inventory, visit us at www.nitrousexpress.com or give us a call at 1-888-GO-FAST-1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys would like to see next. As always, thank y'all for watching, and I will see you next time.